Myself, Naveen TV. I am studying BE in Mechanical Engineering from 8th from D section. Seminar under the guidance of Suraj sir. HOD of Mechanical Department is Edwali Basavaraj. I'm my seminar topic is additive manufacturing. I am going to explain about additive manufacturing. Contents: introduction, what is additive manufacturing, functional principle, advantages, disadvantages, applications, additive manufacturing process, present conditions, additive manufacturing future aspects. Introduction: manufacturing is a process in which raw materials are transformed into finished goods. Additive manufacturing, technology that can make anything, eliminates many constraints imposed by conventional manufacturing, leads to more market opportunities, increased applications such as 3D faxing, sender scans. What is additive manufacturing? The process of joining materials to make objects from three-dimensional 3D model data, usually layer by layer, commonly known as 3D printing. Manufacturing components with virtually no geometric limitations or tools. Additive manufacturing uses additive process, design for manufacturing to manufacturing for design, distinct from traditional subtractive machining techniques. Functional principle: the system starts by applying a thin layer of powder material to the building platform. Advantages of additive manufacturing: freedom of design, complexity for free, potential elimination of tooling, lightweight design, elimination of production steps. Disadvantages of additive manufacturing: slow build rates. Applications of additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing has been used across a diverse array of industries including automotive, aerospace, biomedical, consumer goods, and many others. Additive manufacturing processes are classified into 7 categories: VAT, photopolymerization, material jetting, binder jetting, material extrusion, powder bed fusion, sheet lamination, directed energy deposition, VAT polymerization, laser beam traces a cross section of the part pattern on the surface of liquid resin, SLS elevator platform descent. A resin filled blade sweeps across the cross section of the pot, recoating it with fresh material. Immersed in a chemical bath. Material jetting. Second, drop on demand method. The print head is positioned above build platform. Material is deposited from a nozzle which moves horizontally across the build platform. Material layer are then cured or hardened using ultraviolet light. Droplets of material solidify and make up the first layer. Platform descents. Good accuracy and surface finishes. Next, binder jetting. A glue or binder is jetted from an ink, inkjet style print head. Roller spreads a new layer of powder on top of the previous layer. The subsequent layer is then printed and it stitched to the previous layer by a jetted binder. The remaining loose powder in the bed supports overhanging structures. Material extrusion. Deposition modeling. Material is drawn through a nozzle where it is heated and is then deposited layer by layer. First layer is built as nozzle deposits material where required into the cross section area. The following layer are added on top of previous layers. La- Layers are fused together upon deposition as the material is in melted slate. Powder bed fusion, selective laser sintering, selective laser melting, electronic beam melting. Sheet lamination, material sheets are used. Laser beam cuts the contour of each layer. Glue activated by hot rollers. Direct energy deposition consists of nozzle mounted on multi-axis arm. Nozzle can move in multiple directions. Material is melted upon the deposition with laser or electron beam. Present conditions and trends, technology and research. The model data, usually stereolithography format, is first decomposed into a series of 2D finitely thick cross sections, which are then fed into additive manufacturing machine, used directly or indirectly to produce prototype parts, reduce manufacturing and product costs. University industry collaboration and technology transfer. More and more companies have begun using additive manufacturing technology. Education and training. Educating the general public about additive manufacturing empowers people to build what they dream. For formal additive manufacturing education has already been integrated into curricula at different levels. Educa- Educational materials on rapid prototyping have long been a part of manufacturing engineering courses. Additive manufacturing future aspects, technology and research. Third industrial revolution. The cost-effective mode customization of complex products, reduced material waste and energy consumption. Adopt new product designs with additional expenses. Gaps and needs. System integration and cyber implementation. Materials development and design methodology and standards. Modeling, monitoring, control, characterization and certification. University industry collaboration and technology transfer. To complete with conventional mass production process, additive manufacturing technology must advance significantly in order to drastically reduce the cost of fabrication, improve the performance of fabricated parts. The price of materials for additive manufacturing would need to drop substantially in order to achieve sufficient return on investment to make additive manufacturing for mass production a reality. Hypercurve. Technology phase, technology trigger. A potential technology breakthrough kicks things off. Early proof of concepts and media interest trigger significant publicity. Often no usable products exists. A commercial viability is unapproved. Phase, peak of inflated expectations. Early publicity produces a number of success stories, often accompanied of failures. Some companies take action, many do it through of disillusionment. Interest wanes, experiments, implementations fail to delivery producers. Technology shake out or fail. Education and training. While numerous additive manufacturing education resources and training materials are available, there is still no readily applicable proven model. Education and training. Taking full advantage of additive manufacturing will require educate the current workforce, recruiting a new generation of students, developing proper design tools. Recommendations. Technology and research. Material. Development of new material for additive manufacturing processes, formatting and mixing of materials in desired forms with desired properties, design, methods and tools for simultaneous multifunctional. Next, product design and additive manufacturing process design, modeling, robust physics based mathematically models of temperature, stress, etc. Prediction of microstructures and fatigue properties resulting from exist heating and cooling rates in additive manufacturing process. Conclusion. The process of joining materials to make object from three-dimensional 3D model data, usually layer by layer. Traditional subtractive machining techniques on the removal of material by methods such as cutting or milling. has many advantages over a traditional manufacturing process. 7 processes of additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is on the verge of shifting from pure rapid prototyping technology. References: Based Journal, Additive Manufacturing, Current State, Future Potential, Gaps and Needs and Recommendations. ASTM 2019, ASTM International Committee, F42 on Additive Manufacturing Technologies, ASTM F2792, 10 Standard Terminology for Additive Manufacturing Technologies, ASTM. Wohlers Associates in 2013, Wohlers Report 2013, Additive Manufacturing and 3D Printing State of the Industry, Wohlers Associates. For Collins, Borel, BL Beeman, JJ Leo, MC and Roshan, DW 2019, A Brief History of Additive Manufacturing and 2019 Roadmap for Additive Manufacturing, Looking Back and Looking Ahead. Thank you.